Activating gift cards, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a common question that many people have. How long does it take to activate a gift card without a purchase? Don't worry, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect.
What is a gift card activation?
To start off, let's discuss what we mean by activating a gift card. When you purchase a gift card, it's usually inactive. This is a security measure to prevent theft. Activation is the process of making the gift card usable, which often happens at the point of sale.
How long does activation take?
So, on to the main question. How long does it take to activate a gift card without a purchase? Well, the truth is, it can vary depending on the retailer or card provider. However, in most cases, gift cards are activated instantly at the point of sale. If you're given a gift card, it's likely already activated. If you're activating a gift card online, it could take a bit longer due to processing times. Generally, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. However, it's recommended that you wait up to 24 hours if the card doesn't seem to be working immediately.
Can you activate a gift card without making a purchase?
The answer to this question is typically no. Activation usually happens during a purchase transaction. This is because the store needs a way to ensure that the gift card gets activated only when it has been paid for. However, there are some exceptions, and it's always a good idea to check the specific terms and conditions of your gift card. So, there you have it. Activating a gift card is a quick process that usually happens at the point of sale. If the gift card was a present, it's probably already active. If you're activating a card online, it could take a bit longer, so be patient. Always remember to check the terms and conditions of your specific gift card. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time.